What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Montana, Glacier National Park, and we're gonna take some photos of Lake McDonald. Dope location. Let me show you how it's like. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm going to be using a Sony a7R II with probably my 17 to 28 Tamron lens, 2.8. Then I'll go through the settings and let you know. Here we go. So it looks pretty sick out here. Look at the reflection in the water. Right there, the reflection of the, whoo! And plus there's a whole bunch of colorful rocks up in the lake. And we have snow. So this is looking like a perfect composition right here. So we're gonna give that a shot. Guys, I'm gonna be shooting with this A7R right here. My composition is gonna be a little bit lower, and I'm shooting at a 200 ISO f8 with 500 shutter speed. And I'm gonna be shooting at a 35 mil, okay? So let's see how that comes out. The sun looks like it's about to come down a little bit, so I'm gonna just take some increments of photos until sunset happens. I'm gonna show you what them photos are like. So let's see it. So while the sun's coming down over here, I found a different composition. I'm gonna kind of go a little bit lower so I can get some foreground in it. So, and I think that will come out a little bit better than what I had before. So I'm gonna show you what I got, show you the settings I'm using. I'm also using a polarizer, which is a good thing to use when you're taking this type of landscape photography. And I'll show you why on the screen when I use it and what happens. So let's get started. And what I was explaining about earlier is polarizers. Like as you can see, right now it's polarized because I put it on, but if I didn't have it, look what would happen. Like it barely cuts through it. You see the difference? So that's kind of the point of polarizers. I can also show the photos. I'll take one without one and one with one and show you what it actually looks like. And there's a big difference. So if you don't have a polarizer, I suggest you get one if you're into landscape photography because it can help you out really, really good. A couple of other pros of using a polarizer, it can give you great contrast and saturation of your photos, and it also can decrease all the haze in your environment. So then were two other pros of just owning a polarizer and how powerful it can be. Also, another great tip to get some great photos, just make sure you're just walking around, looking around for different angles, different heights, low, high, just to come back with multitudes of photos that you can choose from. And right now I'm just doing a panorama to practice on and see how it comes out. All right, guys, we're about to the end of the video. As you can see over there, the sun got blocked by the clouds. So I didn't get the picture I want, but that's okay, because we got some cool, dope pics anyway. So I hope y'all like it. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.